Meaning of inflated.
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 Inflated. The term inflated is used to describe something that has been filled or expanded beyond its normal size or capacity, often due to an increase in pressure or volume. This can apply to physical objects, such as tires or balloons, as well as to more abstract concepts like prices or egos. When something becomes inflated, it can lead to instability, as the excess pressure or size puts strain on the underlying structure. In some cases, deflation may be necessary to restore balance and prevent further damage.